Hi guys, you're most welcome to Technical Geeks. Today I am going to show you how to remove watermarks from kinemaster. So there is some basic requirements, please give a glance to it. So link is in the description box. When you click on the link you will get the page like this. When you click on the download button you will get option from where you want to download the kinemaster. So click on the option on which you prefer. So my kinemaster is downloaded now. Now I am going to install. I have installed the kinemaster already, so you can download and install. Let's start a project. So for this I add some pictures or animated videos. So I have added the animated videos and now click on the audio button. For the audio option, for audio I choose like function. I am checking. No, it's not. So I am watching for the best audio. Yeah, this one is the right one. Now click on the plus button for the to add. Now audio is added. So for this, now go to the back page and let's generate the video. So for this, click on the share button and you will get the appearance. Choose your option and click on the export button. Now my video is exporting. Please comment in the comment box that if you want the video how to create a video in kinemaster, please comment in the comment box. So my video is generated. Now play and you will get your video without watermark. Thank you guys. Have a nice day to all of you. That's all. Please like, share and subscribe.